7. In this video we're going to go through the yearly exam for 2017. So we're going to start with section 1. So evaluate 286 plus 137. Evaluate means find the answer to or calculate. So all I've done is I've written the two numbers in an algorithm, align them underneath each other. 6 plus 7, 13, carry the 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, carry the 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. That's your answer. Question 2, complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Okay, we need to know the difference between complementary and supplementary. 3, negative 20 times negative 8. We know negative 2 times negative 8. It's just going to be 16, two negatives. When they multiply two negatives, you get a positive. But we have negative 20, so we have an extra 0 here. So I'm just going to add a 0 here. Question 4, probability of landing heads when a fair coin is tossed. So you either get heads or tails, so the probability is half. You can write 50% if you wanted. Fraction's okay though. Section 5, shade 3/4. So what is it? 3/4. So a few ways to do this. You can think of it as each of these blocks is a quarter. There's 1 quarter there, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters. So we're shading 1 quarter right here, 2 quarters, 3 quarters. Question 6, write 2:30 PM in 24-hour time. PM means we have to add 12. So add 12 here. Yeah. Becomes 14:30. We don't write the dots. And there's no need to write PM anymore. Question 7, write an expression for x is multiplied by 7. So if x is multiplied by 7, we write 7x, 7 times x, and 4 is then 4 is subtracted, so take away 4. Question 8, evaluate x if 5x is 30. So 5 times x equals 30. Okay, we have to undo 5 times. To do that, we have to divide both sides. We do the opposite of times. Yeah, so if I do 5 divided by 5, it cancels out. Because they're opposite operations, I'm just left with x. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And then I can substitute my 6 back into my equation to see if it makes sense. So 5 times, we know what x is now, it's 6, is 30. So is that statement true? It is. 5 times 6 does equal 30. So this is my answer there. Question 9. Convert 170 centimeters to millimeters. We know that there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. In 1 centimeter, yeah. So all I have to do is take this divided by 10. Make it... Wait. Oh no, we gotta times it by 10, sorry. So we times it by 10. We times by 10, you just have to add a 0. Circle the whole numbers, so I'm just gonna write what the whole numbers are. 2, 4.5 or 4.5 at the decimal, so it's not a whole number. Negative 3 is technically a whole number, even if it has a negative, it's still a whole number.